Hello, everyone. Thank you for joining us today. I'm Juhi Bhatnagar, and I lead strategy and growth partnerships as a part of the market development team in India. Today's topic is building AR solutions with Camera Kit. But before we begin, let me tell you quickly a little bit about Camera Kit. Camera Kit is all about bringing the power of Snapchat's camera into your own app. Through Camera Kit, you can access turnkey suite of tools and solutions from lenses to lens carousel management and analytics to enable marquee AR experiences for your own communities. Earlier this year, Moj became the first partner in India to integrate with Camera Kit, and today I'm so excited to welcome Gaurav Mishra, Senior Vice President of Product at ShareChat, who also leads ShareChat Labs, their AI research initiatives based out of the Bay Area, to talk a little bit about his journey integrating with Camera Kit. Welcome, Gaurav.
Thank you, Juhi. Super excited to be here to talk about our incredible journey. Let me start by kind of talking about what ShareChat is for your audience. So, ShareChat is the leading social media platform in India. So, the company started in 2015. A bunch of tech entrepreneurs straight out of college started looking at the Indian landscape to see what are the gaps in terms of content consumption and identified that local language consumption and discovery of content is not very easy for the Indian consumers. Identifying this gap, they launched ShareChat product, which has grown now, as I said, to 160 million monthly active users who are consuming 31 minutes average daily on the platform. Last year, we identified a gap because of the geopolitical changes in the Indian landscape, where a short video platform was missing from our consumer offering. The team worked super hard and in a matter of couple of days launched the short video platform Moj. Moj has seen tremendous success and it's now clocking 34 minutes average daily user time, and we are doing 120 million monthly active users. Moj is right now the leading short video platform in India, and we are seeing tremendous amount of short video consumption on the platform. As part of our sort of gap that we saw in terms of creators being able to express themselves in more innovative ways, we reached out to Snapchat and we integrated our product Moj with Snapchat Camera Kit. And we've seen tremendous successes there, which I'm super excited to talk more in as we go on.
Thank you, Gaurav. So I guess, going back to the beginning, what interested you in Camera Kit and what were your objectives? Why did you decide to implement Camera Kit in Moj?
So what we were looking for was an innovative platform where our creators could express themselves in more ways possible than the regular camera that is available on the mobile phones in India. And as we kind of looked around, what are the innovative solutions that are out there which our users could use and which will increase their expressibility in terms of creating content that is innovative and that is relevant for the Indian masses. So as we kind of looked at different solutions, Snapchat's Camera Kit just stood out. So that was sort of like the whole driving force why we sought out this partnership and looked at this integration as a way to enhance the whole creation process on Moj platform, and that's what led to this partnership.
Got it. And how was the integration process like?
The integration process was very smooth. In a matter of few weeks, we were able to build a prototype and build quite a few lenses and experiment with it. We, with very limited resources, we are a startup still hiring and growing. We were able to launch it. And we launched it before the expected time in terms of our ETAs of the launch, and we've seen tremendous growth here. In terms of the adoption of the Camera Kit by our creators, in terms of the number of posts that we are seeing being generated on the platform.
Great. Actually, that's a great segue into my next question, which is the impact that you're seeing. Could you talk a little bit about, say, the creator side impact that you're seeing? Is the integration helping you drive additional content or adoption of the Moch camera?
Yeah, we've seen camera content increasing relatively by 77% in a span of 6 to 7 months since launch. We've seen so far almost like 52 million posts that have been created with with Moch lenses, which is powered by Snapchat Camera Kit. Currently we have developed 300 plus lenses, and as part of this collaboration we will develop 400 plus lenses over multiple phases, and this will allow us community to create more fun and entertaining short video content. So super excited with what we have achieved here.
That's great. And that's more on, say, the creator side. Could you talk a little bit more about the consumption side? Are you seeing any trends you could share?
Yeah, so lens posters are also witnessing pretty high consumption values. So the engagement on the lens camera posts is relatively 20% higher than the non-lens camera posts. And what you have to understand is that this engagement being higher is extremely important for us, because engagement drives retention, it drives time spent. So the fact that these posts are seeing 20% higher engagement means that it is it is engaging our users more, and they're spending more time, and they're kind of coming back to the platform to consume this content. So yeah, I mean, super excited by what we have achieved so far. In terms of the consumption categories and what we are seeing, over 75% of the total creation from lenses is actually around color and beauty makeup lenses. So these kind of use cases are where creators are adding some subtle effect to their videos, accentuating their background or enhancing their looks. And this is a powerful use case that most of our creators are super excited to use. The other thing that we are really excited about in the future is in terms of what we can do with respect to specific festival and events like Independence Day and regional festivals like Onam. Diwali is coming, and we are working very aggressively with our creators to kind of come up with innovative ideas around what we can do with these lenses. And I'm very sure that we'll have very interesting content that will be created with that.
That's great to hear. We are equally excited about the partnership and all the innovative stuff that we can do together. On your point, actually, of festivals, and we know India is a big land of festivals. Have you seen any sort of specific trends around certain festivals, certain lenses you've created around those festivals that has driven impact?
Yeah, so during the Holi time, Moch partnered with Fanta, and this is an interesting sort of interesting example, because it also kind of created a monetization opportunity for our creators. So we had a partnership with Fanta, and we did a hashtag challenge there, wherein short video creators created exciting and engaging videos using the Moch Fanta lens. And this was around the time of Holi, and as an output metric, we were able to deliver almost 600 plus million plus views on this challenge, and we created almost 350 k plus posts. This was this was a week long campaign, and these numbers were super impressive, and this basically drove our sort of interest and made this partnership very successful in the short term for us. And we are continuing to invest in this integration, and are seeing increased adoption. As I said, starting from there, we've seen 52 million posts till date. We've seen our developers have developed 300 plus lenses as part of this integration, and we'll do 400 plus lenses. So there's super excitement in terms of what we are able to achieve with this partnership, and we continue to be invested in it.
Great. Thank you so much, Gaurav, for sharing your experience with us today. And we are looking forward to seeing what more you do and to really innovating together with Camera Kit.
Thanks, Juhi. This was super fun talking to you. And I look forward to kind of continue this partnership forward. Thanks again.